locked out limb dead bug. From a dead bug position with our limbs locked out in the air, we're going to alternate sides, lowering our limbs toward the ground and then coming all the way back up in the air, meeting at center. This is categorized as an anti-extension exercise, meaning we're trying to maintain a posterior pelvic tilt of pushing our lower back against the ground as hard as we can, maintaining that position, and then when we alternate our arm and leg, it's going to want to pull us into extension to make us arch our back, so our core has to do our job of keeping that good position. This exercise is extremely challenging for two reasons. Number one, if you don't have adequate hamstring mobility and you can't lock your leg out and get into this position, your quad is going to have to do a ton of work trying to extend your leg and your knee, which is going to make this extremely challenging and maybe even distracting. Or you might not even be able to feel it in your core because other muscle groups are trying to work so hard to get into this position, it's not going to make it very effective. You're also elongating your center of gravity a little bit more, having your limbs locked out. So again, there's going to be a little bit more tension on your core to resist the urge of arching and going into extension. If you start to feel this in your lower back, we need to bend our knees and our elbows and regress down to a normal dead bug, or work on our hamstring mobility until we can do this effectively and only work our core in this variation of a dead bug.